So once you enter, the first thing on the left you will find is the kitchen. And this is the first living space, which has an attached balcony to it. And this will be the sitting area, like the dining space. Moving forward, here comes the first living room. And on the left of it you will find the first toilet. Now again coming forward, this is the master bedroom. This one have a attached bathroom with it. You can see the size of this master bedroom. And also this is the size of the second bedroom. And this will be the entry and exit of this particular unit.
This is a video of a penthouse of 2800 square feet. This is constructed on the 13th and 14th floor of the structure. This is the living space what we have, and here is the dining. So here it's a L-shaped living dining what we have, and there is a balcony which is attached to the living space here. And this is the view from the balcony what we have. So whatever construction or the plot we see here, there are no high-rise structure which will come in here. This is only G+2 villas what we will have here. And this side we will have the clubhouse of this particular tower. This is the dining space. We have a double height dining here. And this is the kitchen. So we will have kind of a semi-open kitchen here. And this is the utility space. And after the utility we have the maid's room. And the attached toilet to the maid here. And the maid will have her own entry and exit. Separate entry and exit. And this is the guest bedroom, which comes with a walk-in closet space here. This is the bedroom. And here we have the toilet. So as it is one toilet on the ground floor for the penthouse, so this is given very next to the bedroom. It's not the attached, but it is very next to the bedroom, so that if anyone else is also there, they can use it. And this is the staircase. This is the family space what we have on the upper floor. Again here also we have the same balcony, attached balcony. So this side what you see, that is the airport. We have one more entry and exit point on the 14th floor also, which would be optional to you. And again on the upper floor we have 2 bedrooms. Both bedroom comes with the walk-in closet space and attached toilets to it. So this is the walk-in closet space for this bedroom. And here is the attached toilet. Same goes with the other 3rd bedroom also. This is the bed space. This is the walk-in closet here. And then this is the attached toilet.